Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop channel for making the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're flying high. Literally, we're comparing two drones that promise to make you the next Spielberg of the skies. On the left, we have the Ruko U11S, and on the right, the IDEA brushless motor drone. So buckle up, because this is going to be one turbulent ride. First up, let's talk about the most dreaded part of any purchase, the price. The Ruko U11S will set you back a cool $283. Ouch, that's almost the price of a new gaming console. But hey, it's FAA compliant, so it's like paying for a drone and a lawyer at the same time. Meanwhile, the IDEA brushless motor drone is a mere $89. That's right, folks, you can buy 3 of these and still have money left for a pizza night. So if your wallet is tighter than your jeans after Thanksgiving, IDEA is the way to go. Next, let's zoom in, pun intended, on camera quality. The Ruko U11S boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 90-degree adjustable lens, perfect for capturing every awkward family gathering in ultra-high definition. On the other hand, the IDEA also flaunts a 4K camera, but with a Sony sensor. It's like comparing a potato to a sweet potato. Both are good, but one is just a bit sweeter. Plus, IDEA offers 5G Wi-Fi FPV for smoother connectivity. So if you're tired of your drone playing hide-and-seek with your phone, IDEA's got your back. Now, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay up in the air before crashing back to reality. The Ruko U11S gives you 20 minutes of flight time per battery, and it comes with 2 batteries. So that's 40 minutes to impress or scare the neighbors. IDEA, on the other hand, offers 20 minutes in total with it. So if you're the kind of person who likes to live on the edge, IDEA will keep you on your toes. Alright, let's see which of these drones is more user-friendly. Because let's face it, if it's harder to operate than your grandma's VCR, what's the point? The Ruko U11S is marketed as the ideal choice for beginners. It has optical flow positioning for indoor flights and GPS positioning for outdoor flights. It's basically like having a drone with a built-in GPS and a babysitter. The IDEA, however, takes it up a notch with features like headless mode, one-button takeoff, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. If you can mess this up, you might want to consider a different hobby. Last but not least, let's see which drone is easier to lug around. The Ruko U11S can be folded to the size of a mobile phone. Perfect for those spontaneous road trips where you suddenly decide to become a drone pilot. IDEA also folds and comes with a carrying case. It's like comparing a fanny pack to a designer handbag. Both do the job, but one looks a bit cooler. Amazon reviewers have praised the Ruko U11S for its solid flying experience, easy learning curve, stable flight in windy conditions, and clear camera quality. It's considered a great value for both beginners and experienced users. On the other hand, reviews for the IDEA brushless motor drone are mixed. While it's praised for its stability, easy setup, and brushless motors, some users have reported issues with durability and control. However, customer service is often highlighted as responsive and efficient. So there you have it, folks. If you've got the cash and want something that's FAA compliant and beginner-friendly, the Ruko U11S is your co-pilot. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly, feature-packed drone that even a monkey could fly, the IDEA brushless motor drone is your go-to. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Also, leave a comment below on which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart.